In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Git on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer looking to incorporate version control into your workflow or someone new to programming, ensuring Git is properly installed on your machine is crucial. So, let's get started and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and search for Git download, or you can navigate directly to the official Git website. Once you're there, look for the Downloads link. This is typically displayed prominently on the home page. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll be presented with options for downloading Git for different operating systems. Since we are focusing on Windows 11, make sure to select Windows as your operating system of choice. This ensures you download the right version for your device, which is essential for a smooth installation process. After selecting your operating system, locate the standalone installer option. This is the version of Git that's easiest to install and is recommended for most users. Click on the installer for Git for Windows/x64 setup. This will start the download process, and you should see the setup file, which is an .exe file, downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the Git installer file. Double-click to run it, and you'll see the Git Setup wizard open up. These installation wizards are designed to simplify the process, so don't be intimidated by the number of options you might see. For most users, the default settings are perfectly suitable. The wizard will guide you through the setup process, offering various customization options that are usually fine to leave as is. However, if you're an advanced user or have specific requirements, feel free to tweak the settings to your liking. Next, when prompted, click on the Install button to begin the installation. This process will take a few moments, so be patient and wait for it to complete fully. It's important not to interrupt the installation or shut down your computer during this time, as it could result in an incomplete or faulty setup. Finally, once the installation is finished, you'll see an option to click Finish to close the setup wizard. Click it, and just like that, Git is now installed on your Windows 11 machine and ready to use. You can start using Git to manage your project's version control efficiently. And there you have it, a complete installation of Git in a matter of minutes. If you follow these steps, you'll be set up and ready to start using Git in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.